Imagine gliding along the Seine as the Eiffel Tower sparkles in the distance, a glass of champagne in hand, and the gentle hum of Paris at night surrounding you. A dinner river cruise in Paris is not just a meal, it's a love letter to the city itself. From the moment you step aboard, the atmosphere wraps you in an aura of elegance and intimacy. The beauty of a Paris dinner cruise lies in its seamless blend of gourmet dining and world-class sightseeing. As your boat drifts past illuminated landmarks, the Louvre, Notre Dame, Musée d'Orsay, you realize that every moment feels like stepping into a romantic movie scene. Menus often feature French delicacies like foie gras, fresh seafood, and decadent desserts, paired with fine wines that elevate each bite. Whether you're celebrating an anniversary, planning a proposal, or simply indulging in a special evening, the setting is unmatched. Large panoramic windows or open decks ensure you never miss the shimmering city lights reflecting on the river. Many cruises also offer live music, adding to the dreamlike experience. To make the most of it, book in advance, especially during spring and summer when demand peaks. Choose a departure time that aligns with sunset for the most magical golden hour views. Dress smartly. While Paris embraces style, it's also about comfort, so opt for elegant yet relaxed attire. Consider packages that include a window seat for unobstructed views, and check if your cruise offers vegetarian or vegan menu options. Paris by night has a way of stealing your breath, but from the deck of a river cruise, the city's charm becomes almost overwhelming in its beauty. The combination of fine cuisine, floating elegance, and the city of light in full glow makes it a memory you'll carry for years. If you had the chance to take a Paris dinner cruise, which landmark would you be most excited to see from the river?